everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a baby doll 1969 Dodge Coronet RT, original WS RT car. Killer car, guys. Man, I think it's spitting rain right now. Sun's out and it's spitting rain all of a sudden. Killer car. I don't really know how to describe this car. It's an older restoration, but now when I say that, the car's a one repaint car, factory color. Other than that, almost everything else is original. It doesn't have the matching numbers engine, but it does have a 69 block in it. Oh, of course, here comes the rain. Great car. You won't find a nicer running and driving 69 RT. I'm going to tell you that right now. Good solid body. I believe the car has all the original body panels. Factory color combination. It's T3 light bronze with the T7 saddle interior in it. 440, which is what it came with. It's not the matching numbers engine, but it is a 69 day coated engine. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans, 8 3/4 with a 355 sure grip rear. Older resto, guys. When I say that, this car was painted over 15 years ago, so what you see is what you get, if you know what I mean. You can see a few little blemishes in the paint. Sorry, man, it's just all of a sudden spitting rain. But great car. I mean, just rock solid body. You see, still got the little bumperettes and everything on the bumpers. We do have the broadcast sheet for the car. Just a killer car. Pretty paint. Like I say, this is a one repaint car. And all of a sudden it's raining. Yeah, you can see that. So you can see it in the background. Glass is nice. Air works. Air blows cold. I believe this is your original paint still in the jams, guys. It's got the power bulge hood on it. Again, look how nice the chrome and stainless is. I don't know if we're going to get this video in, man. I have a feeling we're about to get stormed on. Good, solid body. You can see it's got the black RT stripe on the rear. Look how nice that tail panel is. That is very nice. You see the car's nice and straight down its sides. It does have brand new red lines. Those are bias ply red lines. You can see it's got the chrome tips. It's got the factory wheel covers. That's what it came with. Like I say, we do have the broadcast sheet. Original owner's manuals in the glove box, along with the original fender tags still on the car. Killer car. This is really a car that, like I say, it's kind of unmolested. One repaint, so you can't call it all original, but real close. Again, I believe this is all your original paint still in that engine compartment. 69 day coated 440. 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power drum brakes, factory air. The air does blow cold. Still has the original Mopar radiator in it with the shroud. Here's your fender tag. I snapped you a picture of that as well. Again, this is all your original paint still underneath this, underneath the deck layer hood there. And a sweetheart of a driver, guys. I mean, it hits the road nice. All the lights and turn signals and wipers work. Again, they just did replace the, look how nice that stainless is around your vinyl top. No way that vinyl top's original. I'd say they put a new one on there when they had the car repainted. But again, it was painted over 15 years ago. Look how nice it is. How nice that A-pillar chrome is. You can tell somebody has kept this car nice. I think those are original too, guys. did put new sill plates in it. Sorry, my guys got a little overzealous here with the, that's just wax. That'll come off, guys. Bucket seats, console, factory dash, factory AM/FM radio, and it works. Headliner's nice, showing 25,411. We're assuming that's 125. Factory, look how nice the dash is. AM/FM radio works. Owner's manual's in the glove box. Dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 355. Sure grip in the rear. Again, this is all original. Original undercoat still on the floors. That's your original paint. This is still your original trunk seal. There's your broadcast sheet. They did put a rust inhibitor in there. They just sprayed the whole trunk with it. Again, it still has your original quarters. There's your original paint in there. Same thing with that, except for I think those are new jack instructions. The old ones would have been right there. Car is very nice. And like I say, I would not be afraid to get in this car, turn the key, and go anywhere. It runs and drives excellent. Again, these have definitely been replaced. I bet you that carpet's original though. I really believe the seats are all original too. Somebody has really kept this car nice. Look how clean the gauges are. Console's nice. Look how nice that A-pillar chrome is. Just a sweetheart, man. Go ahead and kick your air on, air blows cold. Boy, it's a nice car right there. That's 69 RTs. That's a good looking body style too, man. These cars just got a killer look to them. Gauges work. You can hear that AM/FM radio in there working. Backup lights work. And like I say, man, runs and drives like a little sweetheart. Radio works. Again, blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. Like we may need those wipers if we're not careful. There we go. Yep. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. If you do that, every time you can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom, then every time I post a video, you guys will get a notification. That way you can see all the new cars that come in. Boy, that is a baby doll right there. Have a great day, guys.